Today we will make this animated intro in Alight motion. And it is very easy to make. And this animated intro assets, font, and preset, that download link is in the description. So let's make intro. So I show you all the layers, one by one, in which layer, what effects and animation have been given. This is the layer with highlights, from which you can control the highlight and shadow of the animation. This second and third layer is of cloud's image. In this, position, and some effects have been used. And this is the color grading layer. With this you can give the same color throughout the animation. Now all these layers are of star's image, position, and effects have been used in this. When after editing all the layers, text has to be changed. And you can also add text or logo. So I hope you liked this animated intro. You can use this intro for free.